Hey there! Ready to dive into the world of crypto trading like a pro? Click the link in the description below to get your special offer. Today, I'm unlocking the secrets of Gemini ActiveTrader for you. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned trader, this is going to be fun. First things first, let's get you logged in. If you don't have a Gemini account yet, what are you waiting for? Sign up, get verified, and let's go. Alright, once you're in, switch to Active Trader mode. It's in the top right corner. This interface is sleek and packed with all the tools you need. The first thing you'll notice is the order book. It shows the current buy and sell orders. Red for sell, green for buy. Easy peasy. Now check out the chart in the middle. You can customize this bad boy with different time frames and indicators. Want to see the last minute's action? No problem. Prefer the last month? You got it. To place an order, head over to the order entry panel on the right. You can choose between market, limit, and stop limit orders. Just enter the amount you want to trade and click buy or sell. Boom! But wait, there's more. At the bottom, you'll find your open orders, trade history, and balances. Keeping track of your trades has never been easier. And don't forget to explore the settings. You can customize your interface, alerts, and even use keyboard shortcuts. Because who doesn't love shortcuts? So, that's Gemini ActiveTrader in a nutshell. Super powerful, super sleek. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to get your special offer. Happy trading, and may the crypto be with you.